Trello is a visual collaboration tool that helps people create a shared perspective on any project, whether it's at work or at home. We took the whiteboard that you might have in your office and the sticky note and basically built Trello from that. You can plan any project you have by using those cards and moving them around the board to figure out what's going on. It's super important for us to be everywhere that people are collaborating, so we had to make sure that you had the best possible experience that you could have on your Android device.
When we first started thinking about Trello on mobile, we were faced with a very difficult design problem of how to take something that is so visual and condense it into a smaller screen so you still get the same visual overview of everything that's happening.
Before Material, Trello seemed very inconsistent. It was hard to navigate. Material design has really helped speed up the design and development process because the guidelines are so thorough and well thought out. You don't have to go back and forth with developers.
Our material redesign has been a huge success for us. What we have seen is a 10% increase in the number of sessions per user per week, a 42% increase in the number of boards created per session, and most importantly for us, a 63% increase in the number of users added to boards per session. That tells us that people are using Trello way more than they were using it before.
Trello is fun, it's flexible, there's so much that you can do with it.
They can plan out their meals for the week. They don't have to go to the fridge and write down a list. It's a more natural way. It's like you're talking to your spouse or your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Instead, you're just telling it to your watch and it'll put it on the Trello list.
A key area where Trello really shines is when you use it with somebody else.
Material gives you a better way of communicating.
One of the things that we've seen people use Trello for is planning marathons. And they can plan routes and they can say, I've done these exercises and everything.
It helps the user focus on what they're doing instead of thinking about how they're going to do it.
If I had any advice for developers, isolate what is core about your app and then use the material principles and the framework to come up with a design that best delivers that to your users.
Work with Google Play because there's so many options out there for developers and designers.
After Material, we were able to define Trello's visual identity and combine those things together so that we had a clear vision of what Trello was. I'm most proud of the fact that what we've built is loved by so many people.